y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video we are going to be doing my October BOXYCHARM unboxing. And yes, you guys, this is a try-on unboxing. I know most of you guys really like the try-on ones, so I definitely try to do those more often for you guys. So I really hope that you are excited, and if you would like to know what I got in this month's box, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so I know it's literally the tail end of the month when I am putting this up, and I originally wasn't going to do it at all. I was going to take today off from posting just because of all my Halloween content, but I figured I had a little bit of time. I like to do BOXYCHARM unboxings, and because it is a try-on, I already have peeked, and it was such a good box in my opinion, spoiler alert, that I wanted to film it for you guys and show you a little makeup look. So that is why it is so late in the month, because obviously, as you guys know, I have done nothing but Halloween content this month, which before I get started into the unboxing, I do just want to say a thank you to you guys for just being so sweet and so supportive on all of the looks that I put out for you guys this month. It takes a lot of time to put out that much Halloween content. I have worked on all of this stuff for a couple months now, and so it just means a lot to me when you guys respond well to it, because it just makes it worth it, if that makes sense. So I just want to say thank you to you guys. You guys blow me away with just how kind you are, and it really means a lot, so thank you for that. So without any more talking, I'm going to get into this unboxing. And like I said, yes, it is a try-on, so the makeup you see on my face is what is in the box. So opening it up, I did have to try and like re-stuff it in here, so that was fun. But this is what the box looks like on the inside, and the theme this month was Candy Shop, and so yeah, perfect for Halloween. So we're just gonna go ahead and dive into this. As I talk about the products, I am going to throw up clips of me putting on the makeup. I figured I've never done it that way before, maybe see how you guys like it. So definitely let me know in the comments if you like me doing it this way versus any other way I do it. But first things first is a product that I did not get to use today, and this is the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. This does retail for $40. And it says, this multitasking cleansing exfoliant is an ideal addition to your cleansing regimen 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical and physical exfoliation helps clear dull, dry skin and improves penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It also helps optimize the skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. So you do get 6.75 fluid ounces in this. This is a very generous container. $40 feels like a lot, but I am very, very excited to use this. The only reason I haven't used it yet is because I have so many cleansers and exfoliators that I'm working through right now. And so I don't want to open this just yet. So when I do, I will make sure that I mention it to you guys. But I am very excited for that product. Like when I saw it in the box, I was like, okay, girl, I see you real quick. And so the next item in the box, I was super pumped because you guys should already know how I feel about this brand, but it is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted. Oh, it's the Capal. Oh girl, I don't even know. I'll write it up on the screen as I'm saying it. Lip butter. This retails for $20, and it says it is a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of whatever that kind of butter is. Acai and coconut oils, cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche, which I think is caramel, if I even remotely pronounce that correctly. But I was super excited to receive this in the box. I don't know, I'm pretty sure in the clip I do show you the container, but I think the container is absolutely adorable. It's kind of like chunky, which is reminiscent to their lip balm that I like so much. It smells pretty similar. It does have a slight, I guess, caramel type thing to it, but you guys know I love Sol de Janeiro, so I was super excited to receive this. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is this Luxie Wanderlust Eye Brush Set. This retails for $40, and it says create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set, and it had different brushes in it. Now, I decided to keep 2 out of the pack, 2 that I would use the most, but these are the brushes that come in the box. So I didn't use this one today. I just like to keep these because when I do glue down my eyebrows, you can eventually ruin the spoolie, so I want to keep an extra spoolie. And then you guys know I like small fluffy detail brushes, so I decided to keep these two for myself, but I did not open these other three, which looks like to be like an angled fluffy brush, just a regular fluffy brush, and then a more maybe slightly dense semi-packer brush kind of a thing. I don't know. I'm sure it says it on the card, but I honestly don't feel like reading it. So I'm going to take the rest of these three brushes and put them back in the pouch to put in a giveaway for you guys, because I think it's nice that it comes with a little pouch. I do love Luxie brushes, but those three right there are ones that I didn't really feel like I needed to keep, while these two worked really well for me, so I decided to keep those. The next thing in the box is this Beauty Bakerie Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. It retails for $38. And it says, Beauty Bakerie's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is a delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transitional touch-up. I was so excited to see this because I know the last Beauty Bakerie palette I had I did not keep, but it was just because it was very, very neutral. Whereas this one has more of like a cool toned kind of plummy color story to it, and I was very excited to use it today. I like the look that I created, as I think it is nice and soft and is a perfect transition during this kind of like fall to semi-winter coming up time. I think the shadows blended out really, really nice. The one shade that I initially put down, Forehead Kisses, didn't really work for my skin tone, but other than that, I thought they were really nice. The shimmers were very, very pretty. I have heard amazing, amazing things about Beauty Bakerie palettes in general, so I was excited that this was one that I was interested enough to keep and try out, and I am very, very, very pleased with it. I think the color story is nice, and I think the shadows performed really great, so definitely let me know if you guys want to see another look with that. I can see what else I can do, but the thing I think I like most about that palette is the fact that it's one that's not really difficult. When you look at the pans, you kind of don't feel overwhelmed with what to do with it. It's just kind of, you pick up the brush and you can slap it on and it's going to look good. So the last thing in this box were these Lavaa lashes. They are called Charm Faux Minx. I think that is the style. And these retail for $19.99. Now these say these are lightweight and fluffy handcrafted luxury lashes. Our Charm style, so that is a style, blends seamlessly with your natural lashes and adds the perfect amount of glam to any look. I would have to say I 110% agree with that statement. These lashes are stunning, you guys. They're so beautiful. They kind of give me a little bit of like a Miami feel, and they actually just recently, Lily Lashes came out with a Miami light that I have been looking at getting, and so when I saw these, I was like, ooh, I already know I'm gonna jam with them because they are so light and so fluffy that it really just complements the look. It doesn't look super, super fake, but gives you a nice amount of volume and length. And so I am very excited to have these lashes. I have never heard of this brand before, but I definitely am going to have to look into them to get some more lashes because I feel like they are of nice quality. They were very easy to put on and work with, which I greatly appreciate in a lash. Nothing is worse than a lash that is just a pain in the ass to put on. So I'm very, very happy with these lashes. I think they look absolutely beautiful with this look. And I think they would look beautiful with almost any look you do because they are so natural looking, but very, very flattering. And I will say I thought it was so cute. When you open up the box, it says seduce with one glance. And I'm like, oh, yes, ma'am, look at me. Okay, guys, so the total retail value of this month's box was $157.99. Considering the box is only $25 a month, that is an exceptional retail value. And with that being said, for me, you guys already know that I love the box, but just because the retail value looks good sometimes does not always mean the box is great. I've had some boxes that retail way higher than this and they've been misses for me for sure. But as you guys already know, I am so pleased with this box. I don't even know that I can pick a favorite product because I was just so pleased with literally everything that I got to try. Now, I know I am giving away some of the Luxie brushes, but again, that's just because the remaining three in here are ones that I don't really reach for when I do my makeup, so I'd rather give them away. And speaking of which, I am hoping to do a giveaway when we hit 1,500 subscribers. So if you haven't already, definitely subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, let them know to join my fam, because the sooner we get there, the sooner you guys get a giveaway. And I have a whole box of goodies to choose from, and I'm still getting in things for you guys, so I'm super excited about that. Anyways, you guys, I am not going to keep you here any longer. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you yourself have BOXYCHARM, let me know what you got in your box this month. What was your favorite item? If you did like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you hit that notification bell, then you will never miss an upload from me. And last but not least, you can also come follow your girl on Instagram at Alyssa and I, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!